Is the tuple data type weird in Python? As we know, a tuple is one of the fundamental data types in Python. It belongs to the immutable type, which means we cannot modify a tuple by adding or removing elements once it's created. Now, let's assume we have a tuple that contains a few elements. Suppose we try to append an item at index 3. What do you think will happen? You might expect an error since tuples are immutable. But surprisingly, if we run the program, we don't get an error. Instead, the item is successfully appended at index 3. Strange, right? Why didn't Python raise an error? Here's what's actually happening. When we tried to append the item, we weren't modifying the tuple itself. Instead, the tuple contains a list as one of its elements, and the change was made to that list. The tuple itself is still pointing to the same memory address, so technically it remains unchanged. This is why no error was raised, and the modification was applied to the list inside the tuple, not the tuple itself.